that was meant for me. We ain't going half, we're going all the way. Stay 10 toes, gotta keep it fam close. Yeah, that's yeah, we know. I've been riding, I've been rolling on this road for a long time. I've been out here getting on my own for a long time. How you supposed to get it in this world for a long time? If you want to do this, it's gonna take you a long time. Overnight, no heaven overnight. If we mean success, it takes some grinding oversight. Got about 10 years in it, can't fake that with photo likes. Better not waste no time. Young Montana, that word is mine. I got it in my palm.
Yes,
Young, yeah, young Don. This beat I slide on. New crown when I try on. This shoulder she cry on. Call me Bob. If you were waiting for that sign.
Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you guys are doing well. We're gonna start off the video a little differently than back home in Charlotte. We're gonna actually start it off at Performance East, as you can tell behind me. We have the trailer, we have the Ford ST, and today we're gonna be finally picking up the X3 from getting fixed. Now, once I walk in here and once we see it, I'm gonna tell you guys all what was wrong with it. Danny, the mechanic, fixed it up. I'll link him down in the description. First, we have to go inside and talk to Austin and see who's all here. So let's head inside and see what's going on. All right, I gotta find my side-by-side. Said she pulled it up.
He's bringing it up.
Oh, okay. But yeah, let me go ahead and preface a little bit of what we're gonna be doing to the side-by-side in the next few days. I did have a few things delivered to the house while I was in Utah, and you guys aren't ready for it. It's pretty sweet. We're doing a full, I guess, phase 3 build of the X3. I mean, we have 2 more sponsors coming on board, 3 more sponsors coming on board, functions coming back. You guys aren't ready for what we're gonna do with them, so stay tuned. Can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna. But let's hopefully get my side-by-side here in a second. Heck yeah, sounds so much better than when I dropped it off already. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad it's back. Definitely time for some tender love and care for sure. Definitely needs to be washed pretty good. So let's get this thing loaded up and we'll see what we're doing today. Hopefully having a lot of fun. Oh my goodness. I don't know if you guys can see this, but it's gonna be a wet one. We are hopping up in the Black Diamond Avalanche, baby. Man, this is a special edition.
Oh, copyright.
Copyright, Ryan.
Turn it down.
You guys
What's up,
remember
buddy?
Ryan? He's back,
I'm
finally.
back, baby. Let's go.
Ryan, why are we riding in the rain?
I don't know. I already told everybody I didn't want to pull out my 450. Wait, I'm filming me, filming you,
filming
filming me. Wait.
Wait.
No,
hold on. Uh-oh. Stop. Should I tell her?
What?
I kind of forgot the quad key. I know you're ready, dude. She sent us pictures last night of her sleeping in the
in the gear.
Yeah, in the gear. I'm sorry, but I brought this key, so.
What is that? I don't know one from the next. So you got like 20 keys here, and there's like a whole key rack that I don't even have room to hang my keys on for my car because it is. You lie. But there's like a whole.
I got him.
A whole.
So many.
Oh my god. My first day on the camera, I guess. Alright, so Jake is taking the mini truck with the mini quad and a mini dirt bike. So I'm gonna be taking side-by-side. A little something else. Gotta steal this from Ryan's truck.
We gotta figure out if.
I'm committing armed theft.
Hey, that's my hitch. Hey, that's my hitch.
This right here?
No, that's my hitch.
Oh. It's actually U-Hauls. Hey. It's actually U-Hauls. If you guys saw the last video, you know the reason we have a beach ball and Jake's crusty banana shirt. Ryan, are you ready to ride?
No.
Me neither. It's pouring down rain. Let's get the trailer on this thing. Because for today's video, we are actually going to be going down to the sandpits. We haven't been down there since like last winter. So we are going to head down there today. We're going to take the X3. But we're gonna hook the trailer up, put the quad and the dirt bike on it, so we're gonna be towing it, and it's gonna look pretty good. Let me go get the trailer loaded up and pulled in under the shelter because it is a torrential downpour right now. But we're still gonna get a ride. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is a sight to see. Oh, I'm excited for this. Let's load the quad up. Go. So Ryan's bike unfortunately went off it, so he's driving separate as well. Yeah, this is how it looks. This is so dope, but it is still raining pretty heavy. All right, let's strap her down there. Sweet, she's ready to go, baby. Rain jacket kind of day?
Rain jacket kind of day.
It's a Hawaiian shirt kind of day. Jake, you ready?
Ready to rip.
Dude, you ripping the 90? We're quad guys today?
Big quad guys.
Big quad guys today. Britt is a big quad gal. She's been patiently waiting for me to get this thing off the trailer, and I've prolonged it just for that reason right there. But Ryan's got his 125. Britt's got her pit bike somewhere, and we're about to rip. We're gonna leave the units here for a little while. And the tow rig, I mean, what do you mean? And go rip the quad for a bit. Oh, I gotta unhook it. This is, oh, it's already self unhooked, baby. Let's go. Dude, I don't know about you guys, but that thing is loud. So loud.
If you guys have been enjoying the content here lately, go over and leave us a comment, leave us a like. Wheeler loves that stuff. Show him some love.
What it feel like, staring at the sky, so vanilla, telling Kurt Russell, homie, this ain't real life. I'll be making good on my promises. Honesty is confidence. A lot of it is missing, but I realize I could be better than I was. Light up on my feet, looking at the soul, let me fire up the beat. Let the fire underneath me, higher when I speak. Seek dream, after the show, after the lights, after the shine, after the hoes, half of them yours, half of them mine. Happen to find they grill me, but I'm the chef you want. Once you get a little taste, I'm about the restaurant, sitting at the top, sitting up.
Wait,
up
move flip?
echelon, busy watching my lifestyle. I can get you one. Haters are always hanging around like a crucifix, but I've been on the chase, homie, I'm a fugitive. Nowadays, got it all figured out. I don't really gotta take so long. But I'm missing all the times in the past when I couldn't see it. That's why the chase is on, chase is on. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. Yeah, I said I could love a mystery more than any misdemeanor. I ain't into wizardry, but all I see is these Sabrina teenage witches, Mr. V's, Mastercards, and Mystery. Got me so stressed.
Oh my God, Ryan.
Clean cheese, not a bald man. Who he needs a hall pass? I would rather kick it and do nothing like a mall rat.
Oh yeah, you do have to choke it a lot of times when it's cold, but if it's firing up.
I hate pit bikes on the sand. Oh wow, it's nice out here today.
A face full of water.
Oh, lovely.
Oh, I'm so
What happened, bud?
I might have just flooded the 90.
No way.
And then like hit the last one and like went underwater.
She shut off?
Yeah.
Oh no, Jake. Oh, we're good. She's not locked up. We're solid, baby.
No, it's a Honda. It'll run on water.
Yeah. Oh God. Oh my God. Oh, it's water. It's a lot of water. Dude, the sandpits are so much fun. You can literally bring anything here and have a blast. Like the Can-Am's a bunch of fun. It's a little small for the Can-Am, for the X3, but for the quads and dirt bikes, it's literally perfect. Oh God. Ryan! Come here, Jake! Oh, this is so much fun. Jake! my god!
I was about to go over the bar.
I thought you were too.
Second gear, screaming when it starts going slow, and then third gear pulling.
All right.
And if you hit a water hole, you're gonna know it.
Okay. A little rough. Dude, you think you can clear that?
Double the whole thing?
Double the whole thing.
Oh man.
I think you got it. Where am I going, bro? Oh, I'm like in the jungle right now. Oh god. A lot of water. It's nice because the sand isn't dusty, but there's so much water in all the rollers. Oh my gosh. I can hear the bearing squealing, dude. Let's do that. Okay, four-wheeler. What's up, buddy? Yes, sir. Grab my tire. Yes, sir. Oh. I lost the clutch in my fingers. No, 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 get out of here, Ryan. No. Oh. I did, I almost dove for it. I didn't think it hit you, honestly. That looks sketchy.
As far as I've got.
Is it up there right there?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do you think I got that?
Oh yeah, easy.
Oh, okay. No way.
Whoa.
Oh shit! Are you good? Oh my god.
That was definitely best case scenario.
Yeah. Sick! See, this one looks sketchy because you have that bump right there. That's what Britt was saying about, like, don't pop up the wrong one. I got it this time. Oh, sick! Woo! That is so much fun. Let's go find some cool trails to blaze, honestly. Man, the sun's coming out. That's awesome. That corner right there is so much fun. Oh my god, that's dug out. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. Alright, let's try to hit this again. Oh, we're solid. Just need some more pepper. That's pretty fun. If you guys hadn't noticed me posting much lately, I kind of want to talk about it a little bit. I just want to post really good content, and I know this video is not the best example of that because that's what I got right now, and I'm going to be over in Switzerland next week. If you guys want to see me film that, leave it down in the comments. I'll kind of bring you along if you want to watch that kind of stuff, the adventure type stuff. So let me know in the comments if you guys want to see some travel stuff. I really just want to post quality stuff, guys. It's kind of what my main focus is being. After visiting Gavin and Weston, they kind of let me in on, like, don't post unless it's something you absolutely love. And that's what I've been focusing on lately, because there's been videos in the past I didn't love. I posted anyway. They kind of hurt the quality of my channel, so really trying to emphasize on the quality now that I have a larger fan base. It is beautiful now. It's gonna be perfect for riding back.